Sticking with our Big Island theme, this is a very famous Hawaiian song written by Kanakaʻole. Talks about going into the water. Oh, Luana, oi, Luana, where are you going? She said, I want to hana home. Make a straight line, girls. Straight line, one line, all the way across. When Lori invited us to perform, I was like, oh, I'm going to invite the babies to come because they're so precious. Let's give them a chance to shine their beautiful light. Move forward. Charlotte, move forward, move forward. Move forward, not off. Imua, imua. There we go. Spread out, girls. This is our beginner Keiki class. They're aged about 5 to 7 years old. Maybe a few 8-year-olds here and there, but mostly 5, 6, 7. And again, this is the very famous Hawaiian song, Ka Uluwehi o Ke Kai.
Leave